Hello, my fellow oddities, and welcome to another episode, part 4 of our red-eyed tree frog. If it's your first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and go ahead and share. Also, while you're at it, please take a visit to my website. I've got all sorts of stuff available on there to help support me. And with that out of the way, we're going to get right into today's video. So, to finish this painting up, we are going to be working on this green color today and the eyes. First off is this green color, so I just grabbed some cadmium yellow and some cobalt blue and decided to mix my own greens this time around. I had quite a bit of difficulty trying to hit that almost fluorescent green color that the frog actually has, and so I went back and forth between like a yellowish green and a more blue green, and finally I just settled on what I had, and I think it ended up looking pretty good. It's still not quite bright enough to match the tone of that tree frog, but I still like how it ended up looking. I also went around and added some of those dark shadows and wrinkles and stuff like that to make sure that everything looked crisp and clean in certain areas, but yet also faded in and out of the shadows like it should. And then I went through and added just a whole bunch of different small details and everything all over this bad boy. And when I get to the eyes, I'll come back and explain that. For these eyes, first thing I wanted to do was make sure I got these outside edges defined just a little bit more. So for that, I just used some straight Mars black and watered it down decently enough to where it wasn't just super thick, and I got those outside edges defined quite a bit. And then from there, I wanted to get those orange colors added in and blended in a little bit with that red color. So for the red color, I just used straight cadmium red, and obviously for the orange, I mixed in just a little cadmium yellow. And I played back and forth with those tones in there until I was pretty happy with the eyes, and then I added the reflections, the last part of it. That's gonna do it for this episode. If you've been following along, then you should have ended up with something relatively close to this. This red-eyed tree frog came out looking fantastic. I'm super happy with it. Please remember, if this is your first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, go ahead and visit my website, and I will see you in the next episode.